this campground, and why is that? There we go. This was in the city of Vermilion, free campground with electricity, 3-day stay. I was glad to have it because it's cold this morning. But anyways, fixing to leave. All I gotta do is roll up a cord, power cord, and I can't think, my brain's froze. But yeah, it's got 6 spots, a bathroom, a dumpster, a dump station, playground for the kids. You're right in town. There's a Walmart. Right over there is a grocery store right across the street. Has everything you need. There's Rusty and her. Nah, that's Rusty. Oh, goodness. Anyway, we're getting out of here. Bye. Bye. Well, we just stopped and got gas. Literally 500 feet from where we was camped. What'd I get? Got $31.25. And I don't know where it's at. It's on here somewhere. But it's $1.93 is what we paid for it. Here in Vermilion, South Dakota. Heading south. So we made it to our next free campsite. Cannot think what this is called. Well, I'll think of it and I'll put it in the description, or I'll just put it on the screen what it is. But it's free. It has electricity, hookups. You can stay here 7 days. And yes, it snowed. It's not snowing right now, that's just falling off the trees. But it did snow. It's actually quite pretty. And it's cold. Right there's the bathroom. It has vault toilets. It has, I don't even know how many spots. There's actually there's a lake over there. You can't see it right now, but it's like a big loop around the lake, and there's several camp spots. She found it on freecampsites.net or another app. I don't remember which one, but there's like 4 or 5 spots there. There's one right here behind us, than us. There's one over here in front of us. Somebody's in it. Straight forward down through there. It's a walking trail, bike path that goes all around the lake. It goes for about 3 miles. And it circles around, comes back over here. But this is where we're going to stay. And considering it's cold weather, and we really not trying to get nowhere. We're probably going to stay here 4 or 5 days. Just enjoy it. Anywho, right now I can still finish this setting up. We literally just got here. I'm leveling the camper up, getting all that done, and probably gonna fix me something to eat because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna pause this, and we'll come back later. What? Oh, the little cedar trees or whatever they are still. Still got snow on them. Snow's melting. Got a campfire going. Campfire going. Yep. Other than the ghetto looking trash can and grill, it's not too bad here. And the broken door on the power box. I don't know why that matters, so this bothers me. I may get a screw and fix it tomorrow. Not. Do 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 do. Whoosh. Okay, enough goofiness.